Now, ODM leader Raila Odinga has expressed his disappointment with Thursday's High Court verdict that declared unconstitutional, null and void the BBI push for a referendum. Odinga, in a statement, however, cautioned against personalised attacks on the 5 High Court judges who delivered the BBI Thursday night shocker, as the Handshake legal team works on an appeal that will be filed on Monday. Francis Gashuri reports on Odinga's BBI setback.
The 5-judge High Court bench on Thursday literally stopped the BBI reggae.
A permanent injunction be and is hereby issued restraining the IEBC from undertaking any processes required under Article 257.4 and 257.5 in respect of the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020.
48 hours later, ODM leader Raila Odinga, a key player in the clamor for constitutional amendments through the Building Bridges initiative yielded out of his March 2018 handshake with President Uhuru Kenyatta, voiced his displeasure with the High Court judgment. Odinga, in a statement, though acknowledging the BBI supporters' disappointment, cautioned against harsh public commentary on the Thursday verdict. BBI proponents have unleashed a barrage of criticism at 5 High Court judges, Professor Joel Ngugi, Jairus Nga, Chacha Mwita, Teresia Matheka and George Odunga, who declared the BBI process unconstitutional and indicted President Uhuru Kenyatta for violation of Chapter 6 of the Constitution. However, critics of the constitutional amendments have hailed the judges as true defenders of the country's supreme law enacted in 2010, Odinga calling the BBI troops to order after they accused the 5 judges of playing politics and being guided by alleged vendetta against the president. The BBI legal team is crafting an appeal that it intends to file on Monday, contesting the High Court judgment. Sources within the team told Citizen TV that the notice of appeal will be finalized tomorrow. Odinga, in the statement, holding that the appeal will be filed with sobriety and respect for the judges and the judiciary as an institution. Among the issues the legal team is raising is whether President Kenyatta initiated the proposal to amend the constitution through popular initiative, if IEBC is currently constituted, could verify the voters who signed in support of the process, and whether there were articles in the constitution that are unamendable, as explained by the 5 High Court judges, citing the doctrine of basic structure. While exuding confidence that the Court of Appeal would overturn the High Court verdict, the former Prime Minister stated that the BBI process was about consolidating the country's democracy and a project of opportunity, equity and equality. Currently, the Court of Appeal has 13 judges. Acting President of the Appellate Court, Wanjiru Karanja, will constitute a bench to hear and determine the appeal. The available judges are Roslyn Nambuye, Hannah Ukwengu, Muhammad Warsame, Milton Asike Makandia, Daniel Musinga, Patrick Kiage, Gatembu Kairo, Kathurima Mtoinoti, who also sits in the East African Court of Justice, Agnes Murgo, Fatma Sichale, Jamila Mohammed and Sankale Ole Kantai. Francis Gashuri, Citizen TV.